Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Zoya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Where do you study?
I'm a student at Islamic University of Islamabad.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What's for dinner?
I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided.
How's your job going?
My job is going well, thanks for asking.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like to enjoy myself with my friends.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching cricket.
What's your educational background?
I have a degree in masters.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to stay active and exercise.
What sports can you play?
I can play tennis, basketball, football.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to go play volleyball at the beach.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly. We accept all the major cards.
Are you ready to order?
We need a few more minutes.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim with blonde hair.
What do you do every day?
I listen to music and play badminton every day.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to a Japanese restaurant.